Our Walmart order just delivered. So our haul, here it is. It is a small haul and I'm going to show you exactly why, but let me give you the total first. This right here cost about $74 to $75. I'll put the exact total here on the screen for you. That is half of our weekly grocery budget. And if you saw my last haul, you know we were way over budget. So how did I get under budget? And I'm going to show you. This side is all of the items I pulled out of our fridge and freezer, some freezer items that I knew I could work with this week. I pulled it all out so I could see it clearly and come up with a menu. And I have a plan for this week. So that's how we stayed way below budget, because I always shop in my freezer, fridge, and pantry first. Let me just go quickly over the items here. So when I get to the menu board, you see all the items that are going to be used up in that. So let me just go through it. First of all, we did have a Super Bowl little get together yesterday. So we have lots of food items left over. We have our 7-layer dip left over. We have chicken wings left over. And we even have these Italian meatballs left over, about half a bag. So that is probably going to be dinner tonight, just leftovers. Then we have some bok choy that I still have. I have Brussels sprouts, I have salad, and then we have so much broccoli. Usually we go through broccoli, but some reason we got behind. So I have 3 heads of broccoli, so no broccoli needed this week. We have some bell peppers. We have a bag of spinach. And then these mini wontons, I'll probably see if I could use these this week and make some kind of soup or that stir fry with that bok choy. We have some fresh fruit, more raspberries. We have half a thing of mushrooms. Here's more. These are little sausage bites from the Super Bowl party. Lots of cheese. When you have a party, well, when I have a party, we always end up with plenty of cheese. A lot of the recipes call for cheese. We got cheese slices, cheddar cheese, Swiss cheese. I even have this I didn't use, Swiss and Gruyere cheese. We have a cheese ball. We have sliced Swiss cheese, shredded mozzarella. Yeah, lots of cheese. And then some freezer items. I did pull this out for the to make one day this week is Atlantic salmon, and then also the sea scallops. So I was thinking we can make that this week. We also have just some deli meat that went with all those cheeses. So for lunches and everything, for salads and sandwiches, we have some protein to use up. So lots to work with here. Now let's talk about why our Walmart, well, we did talk about why our Walmart order was small. Let's just talk about what's in it, and then we'll get to the menu board. So my husband really likes these frozen pomegranate arills, the little pomegranate burst seeds. They're so good, great on yogurt, and he'll eat those. Great fiber too. Speaking of fiber, 3 apples. I make those now with my oatmeal. I used to not eat oatmeal, but now I do. I have a special way to make it in the slow cooker. I'll be showing that in a video coming up. And then more peppers, because I'm going to make something with chicken and another one. So 2 green, 1 red. We got our weekly tricolor coleslaw, some zucchini. Disappointed in the size of these. I was hoping they'd be bigger. So we're going to have to kind of improvise. I was going to make those with the meatballs. We'll see what we'll do with that. More bok choy, because that other one was kind of limp and I wanted some fresh, and I just thought it's a nice new vegetable for us. So let's have some bok choy for stir fries. And then mini cucumbers, the crunchers, and I really like these. They're so good. And a red onion, some more avocados, 3 of those. Did I mention the 2 bananas? There they are. 18 eggs. This, I know it's a price increase, but we love our eggs. 18 eggs, there you go. And then we also got red hot wing sauce. Needed more of that, especially after the party with the wings. Grass-fed ground beef. We usually get that every week. Our grape tomatoes, bacon, we usually get a package of that. We got a head of lettuce for more salads. And then we also got some bold wasabi and soy sauce almonds. Really love that flavor. Feta cheese. Now I'm looking at this going, gee, did I really need more cheese? Yes, but we like feta cheese on our salads. And then I got a small individualized Greek plain yogurt. That is also a big carton of Greek plain yogurt. That's what my husband uses for breakfast. The small ones for me. We got some Rotel, the diced tomatoes, the mild with the green chilies. A package of chicken breasts, our half and half for the week, and just some freezer bags. So small haul. You see we got protein in there with the eggs, the bacon, and the chicken and the beef. And then that will pair this week with all the food we had already in the freezer and fridge. And so now I'm going to go to the menu board and show you what's on the plan and what's the menu for the week. Okay, here is our plan, our meals for the week. What we're planning to have for dinners are leftovers from all that party food. We're gonna eat on that. And then we also have another evening of meatball zucchini skillet, thinking a one-pot meal with the zucchini and those meatballs and the mozzarella cheeses I have. Chicken fajitas in the crock pot, and if we have 7-layer dip left at that point, we'll have that with that, but that's a nice crock pot meal. The salmon and the breaded scallops from the freezer with the bok choy and broccoli. Take out Tuesday or Thursday chili night. My husband loves that chili, so we'll do that, and that's a reasonably priced meal because we also have Valentine's Day this week, and my husband and I are going out for sure, and we will be not eating at home, so factoring that in. Then I will probably be making that wonton stir fry over the weekend. So those are the meals planned for the week. And then we also have planned some lunches, salads, turkey and cheese sandwiches, meatball sliders, and quiche to use up if I still have broccoli and enough eggs. We'll make a quiche with all that cheese. And speaking of use up the cheese and the turkey and spinach. So that's the plan. That's what we have going on. Using the grocery items that I already had on hand, plus Walmart, that's our plan for the week. It'll be another great week. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Be sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. That way you're notified when I make the videos from these hauls. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, and I'll see you on the next video.